Hey, what's up? Tony here from Paradice Garage and LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Hope you're doing well. In this quick video, we're going to show you how to mix primer. And this primer was sitting for about a month before we started even using it. So I'm going to show you how to mix caked up primer, what to look out for, how to check for paint consistency, and also we're going to go over spraying some of these bike parts with that 2K primer over an epoxy primer that we did on some of the metal pieces like the rims and these pieces up in here. So stay tuned, watch the video. Don't forget to like the video, share it, subscribe, because we got brand new videos coming out every single week now at Paradice Garage. So yeah, let me know if you like the video format down below, comment below, let me know what your thoughts are, and stay tuned for the next one. But in this video, I hope you get a lot of takeaways on this. And yeah, I'll see you in the video. Bye. So this is what I mean when you have primer that sat for a little while. It cakes up at the bottom, okay? So you wanna make sure, instead of just using the top, right? You wanna make sure to mix this really well to get that out, okay? And not mixing with hardener, just mixing it. So I'm gonna need 2 sticks for that, or I need a bigger stick because I need something a little bit more heavy duty, okay? Because it's, look at it. Okay, we want to mix that in. So it might take you a couple minutes to mix it, you know, but once you mix it, it'll be good for a while if you're gonna keep using it, you know. This has been sitting for a while, maybe about a month or so after I bought it. But this stuff, you know, it lasts a long time. It doesn't go bad. You just got to make sure you mix it up. Take the caking off the bottom here, okay? Mix it up really well until it's gone, until it's dissolved. Then you go ahead and mix your reducer and activator in. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. It's Tony here. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment below if you like this format, giving you these little, insider tips and tricks on the whole auto body process. I can make them longer, but I kind of wanted to keep this one a little short for you, to the point on this specific topic. But let me know if you like it or not. Talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye. Oh, and one last thing. Don't forget, if you're a newbie, if you want to learn more about custom auto body and paint, click the button right over here to go to learnautobodyandpaint.com to get a free auto body and paint manual, as well as training videos on the specific topic. We've been helping people for over 10 years learn auto body. I myself been doing it for over 25 years. I know I look young, but been doing it for a long time. So anyway, talk to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.